This video was originally recorded on 28th March 2021. So my voice will be very different to my present voice, and the quality of the clips will also differ to my present videos, as I was using my older iPad, which is nothing but my iPad 6th generation. Now I'm using iPad Pro 6th generation. And some background noise may also appear. So let's not waste time and let's get right into the tutorial. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, this is Owen here. Welcome. So please like and subscribe. So today guys, I got this car right here. This is my my Lego Technic RC car chassis. Now sadly I didn't add the body or the engine. So the thing is, I'm gonna change the front, but actually no, I'm not going to do a video how to change this and build them. But what I was planning to do is why not I could make a tutorial on how to make the rear. As you can see, this is the rear axle. It has actually suspension in it, which is very cool. It's a very basic, simple suspension. You can swap it with 2 motors or 1 motor. You can use 2 M motors or 1 large motor. You can use 1 M motor, 2 M motor, 1 large motor, and 2 large motors. Well, because this is only for our Lego Technic RC car users only. You see, it's directly connected to this inlet. So, and this receiver is connected to the battery box. So let's get started. Here is the unit right here. So I just took it off of the chassis. Basically, it's like this. These two are the shocks with the 2 little axles, which is holding it in place. We got the 2 gray pins, which has to be attached onto the chassis itself. Here's the large motor. Now let me get the part list. And actually, basically, the large motor, the build of it is the gears. And then be extremely careful because it may be a bit fast. So the best thing is pause in between. Pause the video if this just stops falling, and this one is powered. Then don't worry what pieces are because it's using the differential. So good luck and don't miss any steps, or else your build will not work or it'll be incomplete. Well, let's begin. Okay, so let's begin onto the build. So to start by, you will need this frame right here. Let's have a frame. So put it down on your workspace. Now what you will need is you have to start building adding the differential and the axle. First of all, take the differential piece And you will need 3 of these little cogs or gears. All there to do is to put one in like that. Then take 2 of the same little cogs or gears. Oh, come on, what's wrong with you? Yeah. Like that. Like that. So it has to be like this, basically. So there's these 2 little gaps so that you can easily push in the 2 little gear cogs. So now that you're a little different. Now you have to just place it in like that. And I get 2 of these. Sorry about that, I forgot to measure. What is it? It is, yeah. Take 2 1x7 axles and place it right in like that. One on this one side and the same to the other, like so. Up next is now you will need 4 of these little bushings right here, these little bushings. So we'll need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. Now just push it in. Push 2 on one side and push 2 on the other. Like so. Like that. So now you're free. It's free to turn. Perfecto. So now it's time to add some arms to hold these 2 axles in place, or else it like as it goes it will like boom, just the rod will just slide out, and that's what it, and you don't want that. So now take 8 these 1x4 half beams with 2 axle pins on the out edge and 2 regular pin holes in the center. You will also need 8 of these 1x2 red axle pins. And finally you will need 2 of these little pieces right here. So yeah. Well, what's easy, first of all, is to just keep on making it like this, like add one red pin in the one hole. So just repeat it 8 times. Just 8 times, that's it. So as I just said, it's gonna be a bit fast. But I mean, I wasn't supposed to say it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be like in the normal speed. So it's gonna take time. It's gonna be a bit tiring if you're only gonna watch it and understand how to build it. But now, yeah, do it same to the other side. So like that. So you must have 2 of these. I'm just quick showing you so you will understand how it looks. Now put 2, one over here and one over here, like that. Now to close it up, take 4 of these. That you 4 of these bars that you make. Now just do it like this. So this is why. Just repeat it like this, and it'll be much more easier. 1, you can easily slide this in, and 2, you can just close it up like this. So you could just lock it up like this. So do it for to rest of it. So, but sorry guys, I just have to stop there. Don't worry, I'll be right back. So, just a quick show you, it has to be like this. So, I'll be right back, and yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. So let's continue right in our tutorial. So it has to be like this. So now up next is now it's time to okay. So now take two of these gray pins right here. You need two of these. Do not use two of these because these ones will not make the suspension work properly. So best thing is use these gray ones and put it right over here like so. Now it's time to add in our shocks, aka two suspension units. So first of all, you need to take two of your shock absorbers, that's what they're called. So you'll need two of these 1x5 axle with a smudged side or a flat side. And basically you just have to add in like that. Yeah, just make it like that. And then a pin in. So yeah, like that. So do same to the other one. 1, 2, and then 3, like that. Oh my God, why the door is not closed? Sorry guys. So like that. Now, take two of these 1x2 axle with two pinholes in it. You need two of these. You need 4 of these black friction pins. You need 4 of these. And place it like this. Take the other one. Yeah. Now put it like this. So this is the way you have to do it. The same thing to the other side. I mean to the other one. And that. Wait, are they correct? Oh, okay, I'm so dumb. It's actually meant to be like this. So like this. Yeah. You have 2 of these little holes right here, so it's a bit blurry. Yeah. So you have 2 of these holes, one side and another. All you have to do is take this one that you assembled and put it right in like that. And take the other one like that. And so that your suspension unit is now complete. Now let's get right into our gearing. gearing connections basically. But before that, let's add our motor, motor mount. So the two of these round rods, I'll say. Two of these. We need two of these. Connect two of them like that. One and two, like that. Take two of your black pins, connect it like that, like this. Oh yeah, and you will also need two pins on top of these holes. Like this. Like an L shape basically. Now all you have to do is connect it right over here. Right over here. So just like that. Now let's get right into our gearing. So yeah. First of all, take 1x5 axle, and there's a big gear right here. It's kind of a bit tricky now, so all you have to do is place the gear right in like that, and put your 1x5 axle right in there. So just like that. And just like this. Now it should work. Has to be a bit out. Again, the door is open. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. Now take this L beam right here. Take one friction pin. Put these two like this. Take your assembly and put it like that. Like this. Make sure this axle shouldn't be in, or else it will stop the differential going 360. So it's always best to make sure that it has to be seamless. It has to be flushed right in the flat edge of this gear, so that it can go 360. Now take this gray gear right here and make sure. Now I'll show you some methods to prevent this gear from going in again. All you have to do is hold right on the flat surface of the gear, and then put in the gray gear in like this. Now place this. I'm gonna take this 1x3 pin, not the blue one, because again, the blue one, it will not make this red gear turn perfectly. So it's best thing to get this one. Place it like that. Take your red gear right here and put it. Make sure it has this two teeth have to go to the gaps of this gear. Take this pin right here, this pin, and place it here. Place it here. Now, if anyone knows, take your T-beam and put it here. You're almost there. You're nearly reaching to the end. So now this is in. So now it's time to use your large motor. Take a large motor or your M motor, but sadly if you use the M motor, then you don't even need these two supports. If you're using a large motor, then you will need, because it will be supported by these, which will be connected to these two holes here. So take the another 1x5 axle, place it right in the hole. Take your last two black pins and place it into these holes like that. Like this. Now it's the best thing is to take these out and connect it right, yeah, like this. Like this. Now, finally but not least, put it like this. And so, yeah, like that. And there we go. That's that. And now, finally but not least, you will need one more of this bushing. Place it here, and take your last gear and like that. And there you have it, your very own rear axle with suspension. Now, if you kind of made the similar chassis like mine, so I'll show you how to install it. And don't forget to press the notification bell if you want any more video upcomes. It's an honor here, and yeah, thank you. Sorry about that.